Welcome on a tutorial on how to use Casio fx991ex calculator. As you can see here, when menu is pressed, there are more options to select. For example, phasor and complex calculations, you can use the complex section in the menu like WISE. I will show a few examples and tips that might be useful for your end semester exams. As here, sometimes when you calculate, the answer might be needed in decimal or as a fraction. You can use the S and D commands shown here for that. It's important to know how to switch angles to radians and degrees. If you say sin 30 and 30 is in radians, your value is not 0.5. So the angle unit need to be changed into degrees. At the upper corner of the screen, you can either see D or R. If it is D, it's degrees, and R, it is radians. You can switch the angle unit as I'm showing here. You will see that how much of an error it can cause with wrong unit selected. You can also use inverse tan, secos, sine for finding angles, as shown in here. This is the complex section of the calculator, which is really helpful in calculating phasor values in electrical engineering and in mathematics for complex calculations. You can always recheck your answer's values using the calculator too. Here I have shown you an example. As phasors can also be written as a complex number, it's okay to add, divide, or do whatever the operation according to the requirement. You can either see your answer as a complex number or a phasor. Here is how the process works. Go and select Option button and then select the format which you need. Here is the matrix section, which might really be helpful on your math paper. You can recheck the determinant, inverse you got using the calculator, and confirm your answer. If you want to add or multiply or any other operation for two matrices, then you first need to define and then again select Option button and use matrix count for calculation. See how easy it is to get the determinant. When you use any method to calculate the determinant or inverse or other operation, you can confirm it using the calculator. In the end, press Shift +9 and reset the memory before your exam.